Hello viewers, in this video I'll show you how to fix Facebook password since unknown error occurred problem in Facebook application. If you want to solve this problem, please follow the step. Step 1. Open your phone setting. Search Wi-Fi. You make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data connection is properly connected. Step 2. Long press or long tap in Facebook application. Go to Apps Info. Click on Storage. Again click on Clear Data. Tap on Clear Cache Data. Step 3. Open Play Store. Go to Search. Search Facebook app. Update your Facebook application latest version. Step 4. Restart your device and again open it. Step 6. Check your old password carefully. Make sure your current password is correct. You can follow all of the steps to fix Facebook password since unknown error occurred problem. If this video helpful for you, please subscribe our channel and like this video.